In this video, you will see how to remove line breaks in Word document. As you can see, I have here line breaks and it's very easy to remove them. Click inside the document and here you will see the option of search. You just need to click inside this bar and then click on find and replace option. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. Once you see this find and replace box, inside the box, you need to find this type caret small p. And as you can see now, it is locating all the line breaks inside the document. Now click inside the next box, which is a replace with box. Press spacebar on your keyboard one time and then click on replace all to remove all the line breaks in your Word document. And then click on OK. In this way, you can easily remove line breaks in Word document quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.